Hey, it's Lex Lux, and today I'm bringing you a super great hack that you need right now to totally change your lash game, okay? If you want to change your lash game, go from 0 to 100, then stay tuned, okay? But before we get into the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment saying subscribe, and I'll make sure to comment back to you ASAP, okay? All right, now, I have to tell you guys this information, like literally, a lot of ladies have a lot of problems with getting their falsies to stick on. Like the whole process of putting the lashes on is just really confusing for some people. There's a lot of steps that you have to do to get them to properly like stick to your eyelid the way that it's supposed to along your lash line, okay? And for some people, it's pretty tricky. I'm not gonna lie, even for myself, it was tricky for me to like figure out how to do it, okay? Until I learned this hack. It's gonna make it super easy. It's gonna take away all those steps. You have to put the glue on, wait for it to get tacky. No, with this, you don't have to do any of that. And it's super easy, okay? None of the stuff that you need is gonna cost a lot. You can literally go to your local beauty supply or Target or Walmart, wherever you like to shop. You can be able to get these things from there, okay? Now, literally, the only two things that you're gonna need, well, let's say three. The only three things that you're gonna need are a pair of tweezers, whatever pair of tweezers that you like or have at your house, okay? A pair of false lashes, okay? I've got some false lashes right here that I've been wearing for the past couple of days. I don't know about you guys, but I don't get a new pair of lashes every time I'm gonna like go out. I will literally repeat the same lash several times before I throw it away, okay? Now that's just some extra info, okay? But the thing that's gonna change it for you is this Duo brush on lash glue. The Duo brush on lash glue, not the one in the tube, the one in this tube, not the triangle one. This one that looks like a lip gloss. You need this one, okay? And I'm gonna show you why you need this, okay? You're just gonna open it up, okay? It's a little brush like this. It's just like a little brush, okay? Kind of brush off some of the extra. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the brush and you're gonna like go along your lash line like you're putting on eyeliner, okay? It doesn't matter if you mess up. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Just even if you get a little on your lashes, it's okay. It's gonna help it stick better in the end. Boom, you see how easy that was? You see how fast it was? Okay, now I'm gonna dip my brush back inside one more time. Brush off the extra so you don't have so much glue, okay? Because it's a pretty good brush, okay? And then you're gonna just do the same thing to the side. You're gonna just brush it on there. Okay, now you see how it's a little white? That's okay, it's gonna dry. Put a little bit more right here in my inner corner. Okay, spread it out, get it on there. You see I got some on my lashes, but it's okay. Like I said, it's gonna help it stick better in the end, okay? If you don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch, okay? Now, like I said, it's gonna make it super easy. You just put it along your lash line like I just did right now, okay? You don't have to like wait a certain amount of time. You don't have to like do anything fancy or go to makeup school or anything like that. Like anyone can just brush it on like I did, okay? Like I said, it doesn't matter if it gets on your lashes, your real lashes, it doesn't matter. Now you're gonna grab your falsies, however you like to get them. I kind of like to get them like by the middle, that little middle spike. That's where I like to grab it, okay? You're gonna get your lash, and then you're just gonna stick it where the glue is. Where you put the glue, just push the eyelash on there. And guess what? Where you didn't put the glue is not gonna be sticky, so it's literally gonna just go where it's supposed to go. When you put the lash glue on here, then you're like, boom, boom, boom. Now you got lash glue all over your eye, okay? This way, the glue is right there. You see how it's turning clear? And you just push it on there. You grab your little end piece, push it on the sticky part. If it doesn't stick, boom. You see? So easy. Now you take the front, stick it on there. I have a lash on. That was so easy, right? Now let's do it again. for the other side. Do the same thing. I like to grab my lash by the middle spike. It makes it like easy to stick on like where I want it to stick on, okay? You can go from up here, okay? Look down or look straight at your mirror and just stick it on. You see how it's already stuck? I didn't even do it all the way and it's still like on there. It's not coming off. Put that tip on there like that and then do the same thing to the end. That was so easy, and it literally made our makeup go from okay to okay, all right? Literally. It looked cute without the lashes, but when you add the lashes, to me, it just kind of brings it all together. And it was so easy. Like, I didn't even have to do it in the bathroom, okay? I could just do it right here, and boom, my lashes are on, okay? It blends good. Now, if you have any like little extra pieces that have like the glue, like I said, it's okay if it goes on there, just squish it. Squish your lash with the fake lash, and just push it on there. Boom. And there you go. It's stuck. It's gonna last you all night, all day. If you go to work, you're not gonna have to worry about them popping off, okay? You don't have to worry about them popping off. They're on there, okay? And I think that looks pretty cute. That's my hack. That's how I do my lashes all the time. I do not put the glue on the lash and blow it and then wait for it to get and then stick it on. No, it takes too long, okay? It takes too long. I can put this glue on, I can hurry up and get my little stuff, get my lip liner and put my lip gloss and my stuff on, and then pop those lashes on at the last minute. Even if you have to do it in the car, okay? That's the trick to doing it in the car, because a lot of people that I know that I will put my lashes on in the car. I can do all of the cars driving. But that's the reason why I don't have a problem with putting my lashes on, is because I use the Duo Brush On Lash Glue. The Brush On Lash Glue. I know some of you ladies use hair glue, okay? Now that's crazy. You should not be doing that. I don't care who told you that that's a smart idea. You shouldn't be putting hair glue on your eyelids. You shouldn't do it. Duo Lash Glue you can get from Walgreens, CVS, Target, Walmart, the beauty supply. It's less than $10. Get the glue. It lasts for a long time. Look how much glue's in here. It lasts you for a long time. It's safe. At the end of the night, when you're ready to take your lashes off, you can just pull them off, okay? Not with the hair glue. It's gonna be taking your natural lashes out, okay, sis? Just listen to me. Don't put the hair glue on your eyelashes. The Duo Lash Glue. Put your strips. They don't have to be fancy strips. You can put them strips right on there. For the ladies that don't like to get the eyelash extensions, okay? Now, if you thought that that was a good hack, if you're gonna make sure you try that, let me know in the comments. If you try it and it works for you and it changes the game, let me know in the comments if it does it for you, or if it just was so stupid and it didn't work. Like, let me know either way, okay? I'm super excited to find out if it worked for you guys and if it makes it easier, okay? Because lashes make your whole look better. So, like I said, if it works for you, if it doesn't work for you, let me know in the comments if it works, okay? All right, till next time.